Alright, thought I'd take you guys out here for a morning beach walk. I get requests for morning beach walks, and I used to do them all the time, and now I don't do them that much because of I moved. So I don't have to get here so early anymore. Anyway, I moved closer. So anyway, here we go. We'll have a nice walk down here. Got some cool shells out here today. They're broken. Actually, they're not all broken. Here's the inside of a conch. There's a complete one. Oh, there's a few of them actually. It's probably because it's off season. There's not that many people here. In busy season, it's hard to find a cool shell. By the way, if you're looking for a cheaper beach vacation, October is a great time to come down here. Here's some cooler tracks. Somebody brought their cooler down here to. There's some little kid's boat. And there's dolphins out there. One of them came passing by, but since they live underwater, they're hard to film. See that? Good morning. That shell right there, that's a mini conch, whatever, however you say it, right? And I think we're looking at dolphins right now. Just wait for it. Those shells, they're all over here, all over underneath the sand. You just have to wait, and at certain times they pop up. Oh, they're there. There's the dolphins. Okay, so keep your eyes peeled. You only get a glimpse of their fins, but they're out there. Oh, there went one right there. Two. I almost got my tennis shoes wet for you guys. Whoa, whoa. I guess the tide's coming up. There they go. I hope you guys can see them. They don't offer zoom anymore on the live video. There they go. Keep watching, they usually pop up together. Well, okay, they're down for the count. Anyway, I hope you guys got to see their fins. If you know what you're looking for, you get used to finding... Oh, there they go. You know where to point the camera because they create smooth patches on the surface of the water when their tail is moving. So you know where to point, where they're about to pop up. All right. Well, there's some very distant shots of dolphins for you. I don't know how, if you have a big screen, maybe you'll get to see them better even than I did. Alright guys, well, this is an awesome morning. I think it's around 70 degrees out here, and there's a little, oh, there went another dolphin. So it just feels just incredible. If you want perfect temperatures, if you just, there's more dolphins coming up out there. So if you replay the video, or hopefully you can see them right now. You know, Jason, I love this temperature out here. Jason's an in-towner, so anyway, I like the cool weather. Alright, well, we're getting a good dolphin show. If I had a zoom camera, we would be in business. Alright guys, I will catch up to you later. I gotta go back and do some real work. I know this seems like hard work, but there's actually other work I do too. I'll catch up to all you later.